Welcome to Language Broker English Lessons. I hope your English lessons are going well. Let's listen to a short story. Do not translate, just listen. Laura woke up early. Today was her first day of school. She felt excited, but also a little nervous. "Good morning, Laura," said her mom. "It's time for school." Laura ate her breakfast and put on her new backpack. Her dad walked her to the school building. She saw the big front door, a colorful classroom, and a playground outside. "Have a great day, Laura," he said. Laura walked into the classroom. There were many children. Some were talking and some were playing with toys. The teacher, Miss Rose, smiled at her. "Hello, you must be Laura," said Miss Rose. "Welcome to our class. Please find your desk and sit down." Laura smiled shyly. Miss Rose showed her a seat next to a girl with curly hair. "Hi, I'm Emmy," said the girl. "Do you want to draw with me?" "Yes," said Laura happily. They took out crayons, paper, and markers and started drawing. Soon, a boy came over. "Can I play?" he asked. "Of course," said Emmy. "I'm Jack," said the boy. The three children drew pictures of a school bus, a blackboard, and books. They laughed together. Laura felt happy. She was making new friends. Later, the class went outside to play. Laura played on the swings with Emmy and Jack. Other children played with a ball, jumped rope, and climbed on the slide. After recess, the teacher rang the bell and everyone went back inside. They sat on the carpet for story time. Miss Rose read a book about a little bear going to school. Laura listened carefully. When it was time to go home, Laura saw her dad waiting. "How was school?" he asked. Laura smiled. "It was great. I made new friends, played on the playground, and listened to a story." Her dad smiled. "I'm so proud of you." Laura held his hand as they walked home. She was excited to go back to school tomorrow. The end. That is the end of the story, but that is not the end of you practicing your English. Go back and listen to the story to see if you hear familiar words. Practice, 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 because practice makes you better. Thank you for watching. That is all for today. Please click like, click subscribe. Go to the next lesson. I will see you again soon. Bye.